Hello, Chicago. We're very excited to see so many of you here today. We've been doing these events to bring customers together, to share insights, information, interesting use cases that you all are experiencing in your business.
A lot of people ask me, how many bots do you have in production? I personally feel that's the wrong question to ask. You can either ask how many automations you have, even better, ask how many hours have you returned back to your colleagues. That's the true value of RPA here.
How we accelerated was leveraging our existing processes, change management, release management, audit, etc. So you can start with your selecting the right process, making sure it's rule-based, simple, etc.
8 business lines are actively, very aggressively using it, doing everything from trade reporting to booking, all sorts of things that you would not typically think that you could use Blue Prism for. At least one of our business lines has tried it.
So we have a very high visibility project co-sponsored by our executive teams. Utilizing Blue Prism, we were able to do the automation, so we didn't have to bring on a whole bunch of people to do it manually. So using RPA, we were able to bridge that gap and implement it within 6 weeks.
There are now many different varieties, flavors of RPA, and each one of those takes you on a different journey. There is a performance gap between Blue Prism clients and their achievements and what we call the general market.
And we, in our work, undertook to measure the satisfaction levels of Blue Prism clients and customers. Overall satisfaction levels were in the 90s, compared to 58% for the general market.
It was really great. I really enjoyed the customer presentations and the key successes to RPA.
There was a lot of takeaways. I took about 10 pages of notes. I think the most impactful for me were hearing the real examples. And it was nice to network and really get perspective and understand kind of where the industry is going since we're just getting started.
To talk with other customers and see how they are implementing and learn from their experience.
I got good suggestions on how to build a process flow, what are the good tools to use, and what are the good academies you can reach out to get Blue Prism training.
As you grow in your practice, you're going to be reusing a lot of code. So your development time not only will be more solid because you will have broken down objects that are tested and you don't need to retest every single time, but it'll also reduce your development time.
You know what? This is such a historic moment in time. You know, the only other time I experienced this level of growth was in the late 90s with the whole .com, internet growth. So kudos to everyone here. You're a part of something really big. It's actually breathtaking, and kudos to Blue Prism for being such an innovator in RPA.